I'm Lauren Mulford, and today we are going to talk about the Greek alphabet. I feel like the Sesame Street characters, like today was sponsored by the letter Alpha. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you a few books and get to the alphabet. This is a really great workbook. You can actually practice in the book, and then it has like some questions like what are the 7 vowels and whatnot. You can get used copies or the new version as well. What I like about this book was my first text was that it includes handwriting samples, so that's nice. But what I don't like is that there's no like homework included. There's just like key things to know, and vocabulary starts in chapter 2, but like that's it. It just says like you should know alphabet, vowels, diphthongs, accents, some things about breathing marks, and pronunciation, basic pronunciation. What I really love about this book is that it has the entire alphabet here, but then every chapter has 15 vocabulary words, so you start learning right away what words are and kind of a basic interpretation. Let's go over the alphabet. I'm going to angle my page here a bit because I am dominant right. So we got 24 letters, 7 vowels. First is alpha, beta, gamma. It's not proportional. I should work on that. Delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, which looks like an I that's not dotted, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, Xi, Omicron, P. Now, in math, we always said this was pi, but apparently in Greek we say P. Rho, which is pronounced like an R sound. And then sigma, if it's in the middle of a word, looks like that. And if it's at the end of the word, it looks like that. Tau, upsilon, that so bad. What? Phi, Chi, Psi, oh my gosh, my handwriting's so bad, and omega. All right, well, sorry you had to suffer through that. Here is how you can put the alphabet song to these. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, Xi, omicron, P, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, phi, Chi, Psi, omega. After the alphabet, we're going to learn about some breathing marks. So I'm just going to write that here. Breathing marks. Now, I am not sure about the history of everything here. I'm just telling you what I know so I can remember everything. If we have a word like this, I'm not going to tell you how to pronounce it yet. We're going to have an accent mark here. That's not a dotted I, that's an accent mark. And then we're going to have a breathing mark that is kind of cupped towards that way. It looks like a maybe kind of like a C or a backwards apostrophe over this alpha. And because it's a rough breathing mark, rough, yeah, rough, like the ground is rough with rocks. It's rough. That means it has an H sound. So this is not it's ha. Hamartia. Hamartia means sin. So hamartia. So this is agape. It has a breathing mark the other direction. This is a smooth breathing mark so that the alpha is pronounced just the way an alpha sounds. Ah. Agape. Agape. Hamartia. Agape is love, if you're curious about that. And hamartia is sin. So ha, ah, ha, ah. Breathing marks, whether a rough one or a smooth one, only occur when the first letter of the word is a vowel, such as alpha. So it's important to know, well, what are the 7 vowels? Well, we have alpha, which that is a crazy arrow. Alpha sounds like a or ah. Ah. Hamartia, agape, ah. Next is epsilon, which sounds like eh, ah, eh. Next is eta, sounds like a. Iota sounds like e. The next vowel is omicron. Here it is. Ah, omicron. Upsilon sounds like oo, oo. And finally, omega, which is O. Alpha, A. Beta, B. Gamma, G. Delta, D. Epsilon, E. Zeta, Z. Eta, A. Theta, Iota, E. Kappa, K. Lambda, L. Mu, M. Nu, N. Xi, X. Omicron, A. Omicron, O. P, P. Rho, R. Sigma, I never wrote the capital sigma. This is 2 options for lowercase, capital sigma. S, tau, T. Upsilon, U. Phi, F. Hi, K. Psi, Ps. Omega, O. So omega and omicron, there is sometimes a choice to pronounce omicron like ah and omega O. So let's sing the alphabet again. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, phi, hi, psi, omega. You can see if you can do it faster. I don't know if I can do it faster. Let's see. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, chi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, phi, hi, psi, omega. Is that right? Oh, I should mention that hi here, this is hi, chi, because it's not high. It's this real throatal hi, and it like hurts my throat to say that. So I just say hi. I pretend the C is not there. I'm not being graded on my pronunciation. So there we have the alphabet, breathing marks, the vowels, and accents. We'll get to later. That's it.